Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon MG2500, MG2520 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we download our printer driver. Go to the YouTube description. In the description, I give two links. First is the Google Drive 64-bit link or Mega 64-bit link. Click on any link that you want. I click on the Mega link, and Mega link is open in our web browser. After that, in a Mega link, go to the here downloads. Click on this button and click on standard download. Wait for a few seconds. First is downloaded on our browser, and after it started on our PC or laptop at the top. Wait for a few seconds to completely download these drivers on our PC or laptop. It is completed now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it. Here we find show more options, or click on extract all, or click on show more options. Click on extract files. Click on the OK. Here we find our printer driver newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Here we find our drivers, and we are going to install these drivers. That is very easy. Close it. First of all, go to the start. Type printers and scanners, and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on this add a device. Click on add a device and wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new options are pop up. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a new device manually. Click on add a new device manually. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and go to the USB. Go to any USB that you find. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. I click on the USB 001. Click on the next. Here we find have a disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our newly extracted folder. Go to our newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Here we find two files. Select any file that you want. All file contains same drivers. Click on that. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Canon MG2500 series printer. It support both printer 2500 and MG2520. Okay, select that. Click on the next. Give your printer name. If Canon MG2500 or 2520. Give any name that you like. Okay, and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to completely and properly install this printer on our Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is installed now. If you want to share in the network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon MG2520 or Canon MG2500, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.